Friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Stream, and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in this video we are going to discuss how you can get the free certification course on the Python. And friend, this certification course is provided by the SAP, so it is a very good opportunity for you. And you can take this course from any country, and whether you are the students or you are the working professionals or you are the beginners in the Pythons, you can take this free certification course. And friend, we are going to check in depth regarding this free certification course requirement, what are the syllabus, what types of content you will get, so etc. We'll discuss in our video. So please watch the video complete. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. So friend, here you can see we are at the official page of the Open SAP. And friend, this is the free learning platform provided by the SAP company. And whether you can see the all the free certification courses provided by the SAP will be listed here. So you can see here multiple free certification courses are given. So we are going to check regarding the Python language. So I have already opened this free certification course. So you can see here, and friend, I will provide the link in the description box so that you can easily access it and directly take this course. So you can see here on the top, Python for beginners is given. And friend, this course is designed for the beginners. So you can see here this course is a self-paced course. And friend, means you will take this course according to your speed. Whenever you will get the time, you can complete this course. And friend, this course is available in English language. And you will also get the subtitles in three different languages, like you can see Dutch, French and Spanish. And how you will enroll in these courses, we will discuss later. Let's first check regarding the course summary. So you can see here, in this course you will get to know Python. And currently the most popular programming language in the world is a Python according to IEEE Spectrum. And friend, in contrast to other popular languages, Python has a simple syntax and enables learners to get a quick start in programming languages. And friend, also if you want to plan your career in data science or data analyst, you should know these Python languages. So friend, here you can see in this course, you will use Jupyter notebooks to teach Python. And Jupyter notebooks are the programming environment that is particularly well suited for teaching programming. And friend, you can also see here, this course is aimed to beginners, and they don't expect any previous programming experience. Nevertheless, the course is also suitable for people with a prior programming experience. After introducing the basic programming concepts like variable, data types and loops, more complex topics like function, libraries and file input and output will also be covered in subsequent weeks. And you can see here, at the end of the course you will be able to write simple Python that reads and writes data to solve your everyday programming problems. So it is a very good course for you, friend. And you can see here, this course will be accompanied by a research project which will be introduced when the course starts. If you complete the survey, certain anonymized statistical data about you and your learning behavior during this MOOC will be evaluated for scientific purposes. So, friend, it is a very good opportunity for you. And here you can also see the some of the comments given by the participants who have already completed this course. You can read it. So it will be beneficial for you to get the idea, means how they feel after completing this course. And friend, you can see here the course content is given, means what types of content you will learn. So you can see here, the in week 1 you will learn the Python fundamentals, and in week 2 you will learn the list and loops, in week 3 you will learn the complex data types, and similarly in week 4 you will learn the reading and writing data. For week 5, 6 and 7 you will learn the functions, libraries and final exam respectively. So this type of planning they have given. And you can see the target audience is given, so like students and professional interested in learning programming are eligible. Then you can see developers interested in learning Python. So it is a very good opportunity for students, professionals and developers to take the advantage of this free certification course. And you can see also here the course requirement is given, that is a no prior programming experience required. And if you have any programming language experience, then it will be good for you, you will easily understand. and you can see curiosity and motivation to learn programming. So this is the requirement is given, and you can see here development system, all the information and tools you need to actively participate in the course will be explained in detail in week 0, which is called as a preparation week. And all described systems are free of charge, so you have to not paid any money, and it is a absolutely free course. So friend, before going to check the how you will enroll in this course and what are the certificate requirement, friend, please subscribe mechanical stream. It will motivate us to create more free certification courses related videos for you. And you can see also our the playlist on free certification courses. You can see here free online certificate course. We have already make a video on 46 plus courses, and you will also get the free certification course on the logistic and supply chain management related field. So please explore these free certification courses, and according to your interest area you can complete these course. So friend, let's check the what are the certificate requirement, and after that we will discuss how you have to enroll in this course. So the certificate requirement, you can see here, you have to gain a confirmation of participation by completing at least 50% of the course material. So you have to complete at least 50% of the course material, and once you complete this 50% of material you will get the certificates. And if you want more information, you can here see certificate guidelines. You have to click on it, and you can check the in details regarding the certificate requirement. I will show you how the sample certificates looks like. So you can see here this type of sample certificate they have provided. So in the top you can see SAP logo is given, and also they have mentioned the record of achievement. And you will get the your name here, date of birth, and your email ID will be given here. And after that the course topic will be given, and the instructors names also will be given, and what are the various topics covered in this free certification course will be given here. And also you can see here you will also get the score on this certification. Like you can see out of 100 how many scores you will get will be showing here. And if you are the very good, then you can see here you will be also listed in the top 5% of the course participants, which makes this certificate stronger. And friend, you can use this certificate in your resume, in your LinkedIn profile, or any other profile, so that your candidature becomes stronger as compared to other candidates. And friend, you will be also it is also authorized by the various head of Open SAP, you can see. And also you can verify this certification at any time. You can see here a QR code is given, so you can verify this certificate, and it is a very verified certificate. So friend, let's check how you can enroll in this free certification courses. So friend, for enrolling, you can see here enroll me for this course here is given. So you have to simply click on it. Once you click friend, then this type of page will open. Then you have to first register yourself at the opensap.com. So for registering you have to click on this create new account. So once you click, then this type of page will open. Then you have to provide your name, you have to provide your email address. Friend, please provide the name and email address correctly, as your this will be printed on your certificate, and also email address. So please write it correctly, and you have to create one password. And after that you have to provide the some necessary details, and once you complete these details, you have to click on this register for OpenSAP. So once you click, you will be registered, and after that you have to simply log in. And this course will add in your account, from where you can access this free certification course. And friend, you will get the mostly video type of content. So you can see here a sample video is given. So I will provide the link, so you can check it this video to know what are the sample contents. So it will give you a better idea. And friend, if you have any doubt regarding this free certification courses, please comment in the video, or if you have any other doubt, please comment, so that we can work on it and improve it. And friend, please subscribe Mechanical Stream. Thank you.